Hi, this is just another little quick tip. I'm really liking these short videos from the Foolish Kitchen, and this is what I do to stretch some of the stuff I get at the grocery store. This is watercress, basil, and scallions, and I think I did this yesterday with the basil. There's some bunch basil in there. If it comes with the root system on it, you can put it in the garden. These are grown hydroponically, so there's no other soil. Sorry. There we go. I know, I should have put it on the tripod. So I'm going to sort out, just smash it out a little bit and spread it out, and then put it in the garden. This is the watercress I put in a couple weeks ago. The flowered ones I got from a greenhouse, and they cost $6 for one little bundle. And the hydroponic bundles are $1.99. And they're not flowering, but they're just doing just as well. So in the refrigerator, they would wilt if I don't eat them right away. So putting them in the garden, I can come out and get as many as I want. And I just keep replanting them. I mean, they're an annual. They're not going to come back next year, but for $1.99, I put it in a garden, and I'll have it all summer if I'm not too if I'm not too voracious. And the same thing is going to be with the basil, and I will cut back in a second. Okay, I'm hoping I recorded that other part. This is the basil I got at the grocery store. It has a huge root system on it. May not be hydroponically grown, but I bet you it was, because it's way too clean. They must have started in some other medium. But look at all of this root structure, whereas that little bit cost me as much as all of these. So I'm going to kind of smash this up a little bit and shove it in the ground, and I will have basil a lot longer than if I put it in the fridge. I've tried putting them in glasses of water on the kitchen sink. They just do not last as long. This is a quick look at what I just did. Is I just broke it open so that there's more roots have access to more moisture. And every time I water, I just make sure I doubly water these plants, and so far everybody's just been really happy. Scallions go in this bed here, and let's see if there's any room for them. I gotta look underneath. So if I planted something, a bulb, may not be up quite yet. There's grass. And that is my dibbler, which I recently gave a nice facelift to. I would have sworn that I had put something here, so we'll find out. But the scallions don't take up much room, and that's what you do. Make a little hole, shove it in, cover it up, and just keep it watered like everything else. Well, I did keep some for lunch.